Good morning, friends. Today we discuss about the types of reagents. What are the types of reagents? The type of reagents, that is the Lewis acids and Lewis bases. What is meant by Lewis acid? What is meant by Lewis bases? There are firstly there are two types, that is electrophilic and nucleophilic. One by one we will discuss this concept. Lewis concept of acid and bases. Actually, what is meant by Lewis acids? The Lewis acids which can accept a pair of electrons. Lewis acid which can accept a pair of electrons. And what is meant by Lewis bases? The Lewis bases which can donate a pair of electrons. The acid substances which can accept a pair of electron and bases which can donate a pair of electrons. What are the Lewis acids? Lewis acids, for example, Lewis acids are all the electrophiles are the Lewis acids. All the nucleophiles are the Lewis bases. Some neutral molecules are also present in the Lewis acids and Lewis bases. BF3, boron trifluoride, is act as a Lewis acid, and NH3, that is the ammonia molecule, is act as a Lewis base. That is, on the nitrogen atom one lone pair of electron is present, and that it means that the which can donate a pair of electron to the corresponding atoms or the group of elements. That's why the ammonia NH3, it act as a Lewis base. When the ammonia, that is the Lewis base, is reacted with the Lewis acid, that is the boron trifluoride, the ammonia which act as a Lewis base and boron trifluoride, it act as a Lewis acid. That is, it means that the Lewis acid and Lewis bases complex molecule is formed in between the boron trifluoride which accept a pair of electron and NH3 molecule which donate a pair of electron to the boron trifluoride atom. Boron trifluoride atom, the boron is central atom and the forms the coordinate bonds. All the simple ions such as the copper dipositive ion, second oxidation state, zinc second oxidation, Zn2 plus, that is plus 2 oxidation state, have empty orbital in which the level which act as a Lewis acids, and they combines with the base like the ammonia and forms the complex ion. Copper Cu2 plus ions, it act as a Lewis acids, and the 4 molecules of ammonia molecules, it act as a Lewis base, and formation of the tetra amino cuprate is formed, that is complex ions is formed. So this is the acids, Lewis acids and the Lewis bases. There are two types, that is the electrophilic or the electron loving reagents. Electrophilic reagents are the electrophiles. Electrophilic reagents which have affinity for electrons is termed as electrophilic reagents, and many of the reagents carry a positive charge, that is the H plus ions, hydronium ion, that is the H3O positive ion, NO2 plus ions, Cl plus ions, Br plus ions, I plus ions, R3 plus. It means that any alkyl groups and carbon plus sulfur trioxides positive ions, and or the neutral molecules which have the atoms in complete valence octet, and such as the bromine, Br2 ions, and Br2 molecules, and aluminum trichloride, ferrous trichloride, zinc dichloride, boron trifluoride, etc. The positively charged reagents are more reactive than the neutral electrophiles. Electrophiles attacks the molecules during the reaction at the point of electron density or the electron rich center of the substrate. In an organic compounds, it attaches to the carbonium ions or carbanium ion. The reagents are electron acceptors. That is, all these are the electrophiles. Electrophiles are the electron deficient centers and which can accept a pair of electrons, and the some positive ions, that is the plus 1 oxidation state, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 oxidation state. All these atoms or the molecules having are the, it possesses as the electrophiles. Some neutral molecules are also possesses the electrophiles, that is the aluminum trichloride, boron trifluoride, zinc dichloride, ferrous trichloride, and bromine. It is all these are the neutral molecules are also possesses the electrophiles. It means that which accept a pair of electrons, that is the Lewis acids. These are the Lewis acids. These reagents are electron acceptor, and the substances react, the substitution reaction involving the electrophilic reagent is called, that is the electrophilic substitution. That is, this substitution involving in the electrophilic reagents, and these reactions are also known as the electrophilic substitution reaction. So this is the electrophilic reagents or the electrophiles. Then we discuss about the nucleophiles. Nucleophiles are the nucleophilic reagents, the reagents which may have affinity for the electron defines the nucleus as termed as the nucleophilic or the anionic reagents. They attack the substrate molecules at the center of low electron density or the electron deficient centers. The nucleophiles are they attack the carbonium ion, that is the C plus ions or cations, carbonium ions. These reagents are the electron donors. That is, the nucleophiles, actually the nucleophiles are the electron rich centers and which can donate a pair of electron to the corresponding the atoms or the group of atoms which having the low electron density, that is the carbonyl groups or the carbocationic groups. All these are the groups which attacks the nucleophiles on the low electron densities of the groups or the atoms of group of atoms. What are the nucleophiles? F negative, that is the fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide. All these are the it possesses as the nucleophiles. Another, that is the hydroxyl ion, OH negative ions, that is the Cn minus ions, fluoride, amide ions, that is the amine, NH2, NH3, that is primary amines, secondary amine. These are the nucleophiles, that is on the nitrogen atom one lone pair of electron is present, that's why it donate the electron towards the corresponding atoms and atoms or the group of atoms which having the low electron densities, and many of they are negatively charged. These nucleophiles are many of they are, that is negatively charged atoms or the group of atoms, and the neutral molecules are also present in the nucleophiles, that is the NH3 ammonia molecule which contains the lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atoms. Neutral molecules are also the nucleophiles. The substitution reaction involving these reagent is called as the nucleophilic substitution reaction, that is the hydrolysis of the tertiary butyl bromide. Hydrolysis of tertiary butyl bromide. Tertiary butyl bromide, it forms the firstly, that is the tertiary carbocation, and the which on hydrolysis to form, that is the hydroxyl group is tertiary butyl hydroxyl is formed, that is the bromide is removed and OH group is attached to this group, and this is the nucleophilic substitution reaction, hydrolysis reaction, hydrolysis of the tertiary butyl bromide. In this reaction, that is the OH group attacks at the electron deficient center of the carbonium ion. Lewis bases are called the nucleophilic reagents, whereas the Lewis acids are called as the electrophilic reagents. So this is the types of the reagent: Lewis acids, Lewis bases, and the nucleophilic reagents, and the electrophilic reagents, and the nucleophilic reagents.